Every tour guide gives magic out. There's something that we share with people, and they suddenly realize, oh, right, I'm suddenly so interested in all of this. But it's the interaction with the tour guide. The tour guides bring something out of you, you're bringing something out of the tour guide, and every tour is so different for that reason. To be a tour guide, of course, you don't even have to have gone to university or anything like that. You may have an interest and just the need, the want, the enthusiasm to talk to other people.
It's really good for me as a mom because it's flexible hours. I've been very lucky. I've had lots of opportunities to work as a tour guide. So one thing seems to lead to another. Often you can be working in one place and then someone will say, would you be interested in doing a tour here? And especially you work on your specialities. I'm passionate about what I do and I love art, and I'm absolutely delighted to, bring my city to people who come to visit.
I think as long as you're passionate about whatever subject that you decide to tour in, you will enjoy it. I retired a few years ago. A friend of mine has recently told me that this is the fourth stage of retirement, where you find what you're really passionate about and you do that for work. And every day I'm out, I learn something, because somebody will inevitably ask you a question that you don't know the answer to. And that sets you off researching that, and you get more information for the next people that come along.
What I love about my job is it keeps me young. And all the guides find this. Mostly we're all in our second careers, or if not third careers. And you're outdoors, you're meeting new people all the time, you have to learn new stuff all the time, the brain is active, the body is active, and it's a very happy job. We love it.